pen, pen. I used a pen to write a thank you note. Computer, computer. My computer helps me research information. Notebook, notebook. I left my notebook on the table. Desk, desk. The desk in my room is made of oak. Pencil, pencil. Can I borrow your pencil for a moment? Bookcase, bookcase. The bookcase is filled with novels and textbooks. Book, book. I finished reading an interesting book yesterday. Chair, chair. Please pull up a chair and join us. Backpack, backpack. My backpack is heavy with all my school books. Paper, paper. Could you pass me a sheet of paper, please? Glue, glue. The glue is needed to fix the broken vase. Door, door. Don't forget to lock the door when you leave. Ruler, ruler. I need a ruler to draw a straight line. Clock, clock. The clock on the wall chimes every hour. Whiteboard, whiteboard. The teacher writes important announcements on the whiteboard. window, window. Sunshine streamed through the window into the room.